Greetings viewers, welcome to the Bali Bird Park. Let's go check it out. Well, I can hear some thunder and there's some drizzle around, so I might get a little bit wet today as we walk around the Bali Bird Park. Quack, quack. Excuse any little droplets on the video as I make it. There's just some light rain, and I'll tell you what, I'm quite welcoming the rain too, so yeah. I don't know if old mate's supposed to be chasing the peacock, but yeah, he is. I probably thinks he paid his price of admission, you know how it works. But yeah, there's some guinea fowl there and a hornbill. Lovely. And certainly the sounds of birds are prominent as you walk around the Bali Bird Park. The African grey parrot. Now, I like grey as a colour. He's got a little red tip on his rear tail there too. And a bit of a nice singing voice. In a place like this, you hear lots of different languages and lots of different accents. And I can hear the thunder in the background too. This is my last stop on a bit of a day out today, so that's all right. I tell you, it's a handsome bird. It's like an orange, isn't it? Contrasting with the charcoal, slimming charcoal, and it's a handsome bird. What is it? It's a ground hornbill. There you go. From Africa. Africa, look at that. Who's a clever bird then? Some more African birds here. Senegal parrots. See what, they've got good lungs. Noisy. That's a handsome bird too, the turaco. Now that's a handsome bird. Look at that. It's crowded in our city. Yeah, our city, as I'll call it. Not the place for people who are claustrophobic, but interesting. It's nice and dark. I mean, ours are nocturnal predators. Unlike those guinea fowl. And we like a good footbridge on coffeechilltv. Let's walk over the footbridge here at the Bali Bird Park. The black lorry. I'm quite partial to the black lorry. How about you? Yes. White crowned hornbill. Beautiful looking bird. I love the sound of the fountains, and now there's an impressive looking bird, the Rhinocer, the lesser adjunctant. Not easy to pronounce. Quite a statuesque bird. Look at that. If you're a small mammal, insect, amphibian, you'd be quite terrified of that character. Look at that. They got a hold of you, you'd know about it. Definitely. Long legs and a long beak. Lesser adjutant, if I pronounced that correctly. I probably didn't. Well, the Australian pelican. Seen plenty of those in my time. And yes, beautiful. In addition to the bird life, there are human specimens on display at the Bali Bird Park as well. Well, where are we now? Let's head towards Java. And I'm already liking the colour of the plumage. Do you like that word, plumage? I do, on these birds. So that's a scarlet ibis. Now, Australian viewers will be familiar with the ibis. Much maligned bird in Australia, the ibis, but not these ones. Beautiful looking birds. Lovely. And speaking of handsome birds, check out the haircut on these birds. The crown. Nice, isn't it? Feeding time too. People are always happy to see that. And as in most things in life, there's a pecking order. Javan hawk eagle. Maleo fowl, a bird of Bali. The Bali starling, lovely. You've got your little black cormorants in here. Very good at fishing, our cormorants. In fact, they're renowned for it. The red bird of paradise. Lovely. See, there it is, the Komodo. I don't think you'd want any little kitties falling in there with the Komodo. That's only a juvenile, but still would mess you up, I imagine, pretty good. Powerful reptile is the Komodo. Not totally convinced by old mate putting little child there on the top of the wall. I can think of at least two things that could go wrong with that. Yes, that's mum. Take off there. Puskay's parrot. You've got to like the colouring there, haven't you? Look at that. Not shy either. Who doesn't like flamingos? This is the greater flamingo, apparently. I like those pink bills, don't you? The kiosk is doing a pretty good trade too. As is the gift shop, where you have to exit through the gift shop. So there you go, folks, a walk through the Bali Bird Park. I hope you enjoyed it as much as me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Coffee Chill TV. Cheers.